Are you tired of your MMD videos looking dull and lifeless like this? Take your MMD videos to the next level. These are the 5 must-have effects that will elevate your MMD videos to a whole new level of visual quality. Make your MMD look from this to this. So stay tuned and get ready to witness the magic as we combine these 5 incredible effects to bring your MMD videos to life.
MMD?
This is how it looks like without any effects. Now let's add Ray MMD. Ray MMD can make MMD models look more lifelike by adding realistic lighting and shading effects. Here's the recommended settings that I mostly use with my videos. Bloom threshold at 0.5 to 0.6, gamma minus at 0.3 to 0.4, and saturation plus at 0.2 to 0.4. Of course, you can adjust the settings to your liking to achieve the desired effect, but there's a faster way, by adding the next effect.
Diffusion.
Diffusion is an MMD effect that can add a soft, dreamy look to your animations. Once you try it, you'll never want to use Ray MMD without adding diffusion again. Let's add the effect to see how it looks. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's make the stage more dynamic and eye-catching, with a lively and shiny look using the next effect. Kira Kira, which means sparkle in Japanese, is a shader effect that adds a sparkling or glittering effect to your scenes. Now let's get started and add Kira Kira to our scene. There are several kinds of Kira Kira available, like Kira Kira Colors, Falling Sakura, Falling Ones and Zeros, and many more. You can customize the Kira Kira effect further by changing the Ray MMD configuration to make it look like hexagonal shapes when the camera is near. However, be careful not to overuse Kira Kira, as too much sparkle can make your animation look tacky. Now, let's enhance the model's movements by adding the next effect for more visual realism.
Motion blur.
Now let's add motion blur to our scene. Motion blur can be used to add a sense of speed or fluidity to your animation, making it look more dynamic. As you can see, fast-moving objects appear blurred, giving the impression that they are moving too quickly to be seen clearly. Look closely at the model's hand movements to see the blur. We still have one more trick up our sleeve to take this MMD video to the next level, which is
Working floor.
Working floor effect in MMD creates a reflective surface on the stage floor, simulating a shiny floor. Let's add this effect to see how it looks. The floor now looks 10 times better, doesn't it? You can also enhance the floor's appearance by adding more effects. In this video, I added autoluminous to the parts of the floor that emit light. Now that we've added the 5 effects, let's see how it compares to before when there were no effects. Do you use some or all of these effects and still don't get a good result? Would you like me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to use these effects properly? Let me know in the comments section. Until next time, bye.